Hello from TheBestVPN.UK, the leading VPN and security review team bringing to you our wealth of experience within internet security and censorship. Today, in this video, we are going to talk to you about this VPN. Let's dive right in. As you can see, while I am scrolling down the page, you can find a detailed review of this VPN on our website, so I don't want to spend too much time going into too many details right now. More importantly, the VPN provider has given us a special discount coupon, and we want to share this with you today before it expires. This basically means that if you buy your VPN through our website, you will get a special discount not available to other people. Cool, right? Simply browse to our website, there is a link below in the description, then click on the VPN review here and click the Go To button here. You will then be taken to a special pricing page with our discounted prices. This is already a great VPN, but now at a discounted price, trial and coupon. So with zero risk, you can test this VPN, and if it doesn't quite work how you were hoping, then you can simply get your money back. Let's check out PrivateVPN's interface. PrivateVPN's interface is very user-friendly. Anyone can understand what they need to do. They have a list of countries, and one account is all you need to unlock, say, Sky Go, Netflix UK or Netflix US. Basically, you can select your active server. All servers work with torrent. If you want to see your available options, just click on Advanced. This will bring up a full list of options. For the first part, we can again see the country list. We can also select which protocol we want to use, the main one, and what kind of encryption. For now, it's set to 128, but we can double that for more security. You can also opt to do port forwarding. We can change a few system settings under the Settings tab. For example, you can choose whether or not to launch PrivateVPN upon startup, or if you want PrivateVPN to reconnect automatically during connection failure. You also have options to reinstall the adapter and turn on notifications. The Connection tab basically protects us from leaks, like the IPv6 leak protection that we suggest you use. We also suggest you use the DNS leak protection to guard your DNS. The Kill switch protects your connection in case of connection failure. We can also decide which applications will be under the protection of the VPN. You can add these applications one at a time. This is the overall interface basically. You can decide to keep your changes or keep things simply by selecting Simple. Accessing Netflix US using PrivateVPN is very easy. Basically, we see a list of countries we can access. We select the country we want to use for Netflix, for example, US. We select the correct server. In this case, for example, we decide to connect to Netflix US using an American address. I click Connect. Wait a couple of seconds. After I'm connected, I can basically go and check Netflix. Now that I'm connected, I have an American IP. And now I am in the US catalog. Select a movie, for example this one. Click Play. As you can see, the movie starts without a problem. With PrivateVPN, you can do peer-to-peer sharing on any server. To start, click Connect. It's a VPN without logs, and it's very easy to use. As soon as we are connected, we can launch our torrent client safely and anonymously. In this video, we're using BitTorrent to torrent an Ubuntu download. As you can see, it works. It's very fast. Of course, that depends on the seeders. Looks like the test came out okay. PrivateVPN works without problems. Here is a quick summary of this fantastic VPN service. Did you learn something new in this video? Then make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Now we want to turn it over to you. What do you think about this video? Let us know by leaving your comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon below if you found this video helpful. Then please share this video around the internet to help our community grow. Also, if you want exclusive VPN tips and the latest discounts that we only share with subscribers, head over to our website and follow us on Facebook. See you in the next one.